Some people have been asking me to do a close-up of this thing. Well, I looked at using that. Winch is done. Well, I recently remade this. Using a piece of angle iron off the back, and that winch lifts up, and that's used to be the old plan with the Murray. What I have is it's just mounted on the back after I changed it up and everything. It used to be, I used to have pieces of flat stock mounted on the bottom somewhere where the angle iron's at. And I used to have a piece of curved steel that used to wrap over to lift that up. Now, since I figured it out, I need to add a gas tank back to it. Just have it mounted like that. No gas tank on it. Nothing yet. I have a wheel there to keep it from hitting the ground too hard. Basically all it is just an old push lawnmower I just cut out. All that right there. Maybe this summer I get another cut shot of it. Go-kart. That's where it come from. All the problem was it didn't spin oil out. All I did was add a ball down there. So hopefully every time I fill that up and then when it cools down, we'll suck it back up. With a 30 series torque. Real close call with that. It surprises me how it has a freaking differential in it. Brake pads. That was bent because the tire fell off. You're not looking too good either. Don't know what size pulley that is. All I know is the original one broke off. Muffler fell off. 3-speed, that ain't bad. I haven't ran this thing in a while. I don't know if it still runs or not. Probably gonna start smoking like crap anyways.